Good morning, students. Hope you all are well. So today we are going to discuss some other parts of our respiratory system. Um, in our previous classes, we have discussed about the nose and pharynx. Okay, and what is respiratory system? I think this part you have understood well. Okay, so let's start with trachea. So after the pharynx, the next part is the trachea. Okay, so trachea generally present or it runs down in our neck region, and above it a small tube-like structure is there. Means above our neck region a small tube-like structure is there, that is generally known as larynx or our voice box. Okay, so it has vocal cords to produce sound. So a larynx or a voice box only produce sound. So the trachea connects the larynx to the bronchi of the lungs, means the next part. The walls of the trachea, means the inner wall of the trachea, they have C-shaped cartilaginous rings. Okay, the walls of the trachea are having C-shaped cartilaginous rings. So what is the function of these rings? They prevent the trachea from collapsing and allow the air to reach the lungs without any obstructions. Okay, so these cartilaginous rings prevent the trachea for any collapse, and it also allows the air to reach our lungs properly without any obstruction. Okay, so you can see in this diagram after pharynx the diagram after pharynx the part that is trachea, and after that in the deeper portion it will divide into bronchus and bronchial, which goes into the lungs. Okay, next is our bronchi and the bronchioles. Okay, so trachea divides into two tubes. Here you can see it is divided into two parts. Like in this portion it is divided into two parts. The trachea divide into two tubes here. Okay, so the trachea after some portions it goes like this, and after that it divides into two tubes called the bronchi. Two are in plural, it is bronchi, but in singular form it is bronchus. Okay, so this bronchi lead into the left and right lungs, means these are attached with the left and right lungs. So each bronchus further divided into several small branches which are known as the bronchioles, means the small branches of bronchus are known as bronchioles. The bronchioles end in minute air sacs in the lungs, which is known as alveoli. Okay, so here you can see in this big yellow portion the yellow color, this main yellow color structure, that is bronchus, and this very thin thread like structure, these are bronchioles, and this grape like structure, cluster of grapes, these are the air sacs or the alveoli. Okay, and our next and the most important and the main organ of our respiratory system, that is our lungs. So we have a pair of lungs, spongy organs located within our chest cavity close to our heart. Okay, so the right lung has two part, means two part, right lung and left lung. So the right lung is three lobe structure and the left lung is two lobe structure. Okay, means the right lung contain three part and the left lung contain two part. Okay, so a two layered fluid filled membrane is there, that is called the pleura. So what is the membrane of lungs? That is pleura. So what is the function of this membrane? It protects the lung and allow the lung to expand and relax, means expand and relax smoothly during our breathing process. So the lungs are protected from damage by bony rib cage, because in the chest cavity we have rib cage, right? So our lungs are present in that rib cage, so the lungs also are protected by our bony rib cage, and they are supported by a muscular sheath which is known as diaphragm. Okay, this diaphragm is situated on the floor of the chest cavity below the lungs. Here you can see this red color portion, this half circle red color portion, that is the diaphragm. Okay, so there are millions of alveoli in each lung. Many alveoli are present in each lung. So each alveolus means one single alveoli. So each alveolus is surrounded by a network of thin walled capillaries, and the exchange of gases generally take place within the alveoli by the process of diffusion. The lung expand when filled with air and reduce in size when it expels the air. Okay, means when it gives out the air.